My washing machine has a problem. The water filling is very slow. A normal wash cycle takes about 3 to 4 hours to complete. The water inlet filter is clean. The water pressure from the tap has no issue. So I think the problem is the water inlet valve need to be replaced. I found this OEM part on Shopee which cost 90 ringgit. The part is not expensive. I decided to replace the valve by myself. Let's replace the valve. This video is not meant to be a guide, it's just my vlog. Please find someone professional to fix your washing machine. First, disconnect the plug, water supply line and wastewater hose. Then I need to unscrew the top cover. Remove 2 screws from left and right side and 4 screws from the back. Then lift up the top cover. To be honest, inside is really disgusting. To protect your eyes, I will not show it here. Some cockroach eggs are laying around. Yep. So let me clean it first. After that, I need to remove the back cover plate. Still remove more screws. Here's a bit tricky. I'm unable to remove the whole cover or widely open it up. All the wires inside are zip tied on the cover plate and soldered on the control board. I don't want to break it, so I have to be careful not to rip off the wires. I pry a little gap and place a thick tissue paper to hold it. I know it's a bad idea. I should use a screwdriver or something better than tissue paper. Then put down the top cover to work with the water inlet valve. Remove the cable first, remove 2 screws holding the valve, and remove the valve. Here is a little comparison between the original and the OEM valves. The OEM valve used a different connector, so I have to convert the connector to terminal wire clips. Place a new valve with the rubber seat back and tighten the 2 screws. I watched a YouTube videos on how to clamp terminal wires clips. I believe it should be easy to do it. Cut off the original connector and spend around 20 minutes cramping 2 terminal wires clips. It looks easy but it's hard to clamp it for me. This is the end result. Then I just connect the wires back to the valve. Hereafter I just put everything back, screw it back the black cover, place it back the top cover, and screw the top cover. Connect the water supply line, wastewater hose, and plug in the socket. It's the moment of truth now. Yep, the water flow looks better. I also did a normal wash cycle. It took about 1 hour to complete. It's finally back to normal. Thank you for your watching. Remember to subscribe, like, or comment. I will catch you in the next time.